Yeah. Okay. So who would agree with me that your time is pretty much your most precious commodity? By show of hands. Thank you. So I appreciate you taking the time to be here today, and I thank you for your trust. And I promise that I will do everything I can to make sure that your time over these next 2 days here is well spent. Is that fair enough, everyone? Yeah. So, who would like to get the most out of this seminar by show of hands? And who would like to learn past that and remember more of what they get here? Thank you. Research shows that the key to this is 2 things: involvement and participation. If I teach you how to make just 10% of your money in a month, that's all, will your life change?
Yes.
If consistently you can make 10% a month, who would agree that their life would be very different? Now, if you take no action, 0 action, with everything I teach you here, will your life change? No. Yes or no? It won't change. So would you agree that the key is action? Because I don't know about you, but I've collected lots of information in my life, and it's all piled up under the stairs in manuals. Who else has done that? And I discover it 20 years later. The inner dialogue runs your life. It runs your trading. It makes all the decisions of your life, all of them. It keeps you where you are. So if you discover some great secret about trading, or if you learn the technique, your inner dialogue will not allow you to do it. It'll find a reason. And those reasons always appear to be true. Now, unless you break this pattern at some point in your life stays exactly as it is. And everything you say about being serious is a lie. Because write this down. All that matters is what I say in action. All that matters is what I say in action. What I say in words is a lie. So some of you, and I'd like it to be all of you, are going to completely transform your life this weekend. You have no idea what I got in store for you yet. I offer you a ticket to total freedom to live the life you choose, because you'll get free of having to earn money as you earn it right now. If you don't take it, it's because you listen to your mind. That's the only reason. And as long as you do that, your life's not going to move forward. And perceptions create your reality. The market is about perceptions, but I don't teach you in theory. I don't tell you, I show you. That's why I did that. Some of you here are new to trading and have never ever traded before, and you want to learn to trade for a living. So who's in that category here? Okay, thank you. So I call you the virgin traders. And some of you trade and your account goes something like this. You know what that is? Yes. That's the curve of your money, right? Shooting up, shooting down. And they're the gamblers. Who's in that category? Okay, some of you have traded and you've made some money and you've lost some money and you just want consistency now. So who's in that category? Okay, thank you for that. And perhaps some of you have traded and you've lost a lot of money. So who's lost a lot of money trading? And maybe some of you have got to the point you're so frustrated that you're at the point of giving up. Who's there or been there? Okay, thank you. I've been there many times. And some of you have learned a lot about trading. You've been to seminars, you spent thousands, you've read books, you've got DVDs, you've collected a lot of information, you know everything, but you're still not making money. Who's in that category? Okay, that's a very frustrating place to be. I've been there too. So now, I want you to imagine. I want you to imagine what your life would be like if you finally mastered trading.
Like this.
Yeah, it'd be like that. It would be like a breath of fresh air, right? And he was able to make regular money from the markets. So what if that became a reality for you right now? Right now you could go away and you could trade and make money. Would that make a big difference to your life? Because isn't it true that if you can become a consistent winning trader, you can get your money to work for you instead of you working for money? Who agrees with that? And that frees you up to do what you love to do in your life. Isn't that what life's meant to be about?
Yes.
Because there's a certain breed of humans on this planet who love their life and they enjoy every single moment. Who can tell me who they are? Anybody?
Me!
You.
Look, I'm getting a massage right now!
Okay. Yeah, she's not lying, by the way. Children. Yeah. Somebody said kids. You said kids, yeah? Kids. If you watch them, from the moment they wake up till the moment they go to sleep, they love every moment. You never see them working. They only have fun. You don't see them making any plans. And if you ask a child, what are your plans for the day? He says, well, I'm going to take this ball, I'm just going to throw it over there and see what happens. You know? No plans. But they love each moment of their life. And that's what life's meant to be. It's not meant to be a struggle. We create that. And you're going to get a chance now to leave that behind. Because by the end of this training, you will be in the top 20% of all traders. You're going to know more than most traders will ever know, just in these 2 days. So now I'm going to introduce you to my jet set trading model. Okay, now most people have no idea that trading is a journey. It's not a theory. It's not something you learn in a book. So we start off with what I call the stress-free trading system. That's the first thing you're going to learn here. Now, who's ever got stressed out in their trading? Yeah? Okay. Does someone tell me the reason that you get stressed out in trading?
You keep looking at it. I mean, you got the money on the line.
Yeah.
You don't want to lose it.
Okay.
So you've got to be concentrated on the damn thing all the time.
Okay.
So that's how you stress.
Great, thank you. Anybody else? Yes?
When you have a series of continuous losses,
Yeah.
or at times you reach the point where you're very successful,
Yeah.
but you remember your losses and you can't increase your bet size.
Okay, thank you.
There's only one way traffic. You keep on paying and not getting it in return.
Yeah, okay. So those are all things that will stress you out, yes? Okay. I never get stressed out in trading. Not because I learned some technique. You know, I've been to places where they teach you, what is it called, ETF or something, where you tap things, and I don't do anything like that. Okay? Why? Because I don't have the stress in the first place. And let me tell you why I don't have stress in trading. What causes stress? Wins or losses?
Losses.
Losses. What type of losses? Small or big?
Big.
Big. I don't have any. Neither will you. After this weekend, none of you will have big losses. If you do what I show you, you will never, ever, ever have a big loss in your life. So will you get stressed out? No. That's the core of the stress-free trading system. You will never have big losses, but you will have big wins. That's what I'm going to show you. Because that's the whole art of trading. Most people's accounts don't go anywhere. Why? They don't understand what trading is. 90% of people are gamblers or random traders, and they're trading emotionally. They don't know it, they may not admit it, they may think they're traders, but they're not. That's the truth. There's a reason why you've got 90% losers. Those 90% haven't got a clue what they're doing. You are not going to be in that category after this weekend. Then we're going to look at low risk trading. So this is just basically breaking this down. low-risk trading, the mindset of a winner. A winner thinks differently from a loser. I don't mean positive thinking. I don't mean go get a book on psychology. Doesn't work. Trading is not a theory. What you're going to get here today, and I'm just setting it up here, we haven't even started yet, is going to be an experience. Because you're going to leave with an experience that's going to change everything completely. I don't give you theory. When this gets going, it's going to be about you. Every single one of you. You're going to change your life. I'm trained in NLP, and I use NLP techniques to rewire your brain. To think like a winner. Not positive thinking, because that doesn't work. This changes you from the core. Completely changes how you view trading.